This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Personalization because that's where Windows 11 controls backgrounds. Right-click the desktop or press Win+I, then choose Personalization. Once in, you'll see Background at the top. Select it to begin. Make sure you're signed into your Microsoft account so themes can sync across devices. If you're not, local changes still apply. Also have the image file ready in JPG, PNG, or BMP format and note its folder. This saves time when you browse to set the picture. Now choose the background type: picture, solid color, or slideshow. Pick picture to set one image. Click Browse, navigate to the folder you prepared, and select the file. Once selected, use Fit options. Fill, fit, stretch, tile, center, or span to control how the image fills the screen because different aspect ratios behave differently. If you have multiple monitors, decide whether to span one image across displays or set each monitor individually. Doing this prevents awkward cropping and keeps composition correct. Finish by confirming the preview looks right. Most changes save automatically, but you can save the current combination as a theme to reuse or sync via your Microsoft account for other devices. Once done, close Settings and inspect all displays to ensure consistent appearance. If the background won't change, make sure the image file isn't blocked by permissions, is a supported format, and that background or theme services are running. If using Spotlight, toggle it off and back on to reset cached images. This single tip solves many issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.